Welcome to the CAD school. This is Prashant Pawar, CAD consultant. Today we are going to draft drawing number 4 in the syllabus. In this drawing we are going to draft the outer profile of the drawing with the dimensions 100, 110, 190. Then the inclined lines with fillet radius 12. So to start with the drawing, we will select ray, select a point, horizontal and vertical line. Then to draw the parallel line at a distance 100, we are going to use offset. Specify the distance, select the line and side to offset. To create a sharp corner, we are going to use fillet. Radius 0, select both the lines, then select offset again. The dimension is 110. The next dimension is 190. Here we have got the end point, mid point and end point to draw the inclined lines. So select draw line, snap to end point from object snap toolbar, then again snap to mid from object snap toolbar. So here we have created the inclined lines. Now to remove these lines I will be using erase. Then to create sharp corners at both the ends, select fillet, radius 0 multiple times. Then to create a round corner of radius 12, we are going to use fillet. Specify the radius 12, enter, select both the objects. So here we have created the outer profile. Then for the line of symmetry, we are going to use offset. The distance is 50. Now to locate the center point for the arc of radius 14, we are going to use offset. The distance is 60. Go to draw, select circle, center radius, snap to intersection, select intersection and specify the radius 14. Now to draw these lines, parallel lines, I will be using offset. Since the radius of the circle or the arc is 14, the offset distance is 14. The lines are tangential to the arc or the circle. Now to remove this portion of the circle and this portion of the lines, this line is the common cutting edge. So for that I will select trim, select this line as the cutting edge, enter to remove this portion of the lines and circles. Now to remove this portion of line, again I will select trim, select both these cutting edges, enter and remove these lines, enter. To remove this entire line, select erase. Now to draw the circles, again to find out the center point of the circles, go to modify, select offset. The first distance is 15. Second distance or the dimension is 30. Here we have got the center point of the circle. Select center diameter since the dimension is in diameter. Specify the diameter 12. To create these circles, we are going to use array. rectangular array. Go to modify, select array, rectangular array, select object, enter. In a rectangular array, columns and rows are important, as well the dimension between the rows and columns are also important. Vertical lines are columns, so first we are going to specify the number of columns, that are 3. Distance between the columns is 35. The next is the rows. Specify the rows. Number of rows are 2, and the distance between the rows is 60. Right click and enter. So here we have got the circles. These circles can also be drawn by using copy command. So now we will try copy. Go to draw construction line, select offset. First dimension is 15, so select any of the lines. Then select offset command. 35 is the distance between the center points of the circle vertically. 30 is the horizontal distance or the dimension between the center point of the circles. Here we have got the center points for all the 6 circles. Select intersection, specify the dimension, then go to modify to copy the circles. Important is the base point, so select intersection, then the second point, and then the third point. Now we are going to copy all the 3 circles at a time, so select copy, intersection of these lines, base point, and the second point is intersection of the lines. To remove this, select similar, so that it will select all the construction lines, and then select erase. To remove these 3 lines by crossing selection, select the lines and erase. So here we have drafted the drawing by using offset, array and copy command. So that's it for now. Keep practicing.